Hello mates, welcome to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC, reviewing another kind of brand, model kit brand. It's in this case it's Aurora brand. It's no longer exists, but it's usually great with the very old model kits, aircraft. The aircraft itself is a Learjet Commander, but this is a mistake. It's not Learjet Commander. It should be just Jet Commander. And I need to say the number Jet Commander 1121. Okay, in order to recognize this aircraft on the internet, on the airport, etc. It's 1/72nd scale all plastic assembly kit. Instructions in French and I saw inside in English. The art of the box is very great. It's a real photograph of the aircraft taking off from any airport, and this livery is not the same as the sticker or Decals paper. This is another one, and another US registration, and it's got 5 windows, passenger windows. You will see another mistake more ahead about this, the number of windows, the passenger windows. Okay, this is the main feature of the cover. The box measures 27 centimeters long by 10 centimeters wide by 5 centimeters high. Describing this side and the other side are the same, so it's showing the scale. The wrongly named Learjet Commander. The year of manufacturing is 1968. Aurora plastic from Canada. This is the Aurora logo again, lithoed in Canada. That means the instructions and the graphics information, and the Decals paper. The short sides are the same either, so I will describe just one, but this is very important, the kit number, in order to search on the Aurora catalog. It's the number 85130, made in Canada. At the back of the box is the Aurora logo. Very common, this logo in the history. So I will explain you something interesting about this box. This got a very original design, because you will see that it's made with just one piece of cardboard, and it uses a kind of hinges, but made with origami folding. It's a valley fold from Origami style. So that's a very interesting design. I really love this box. You never lose the top or the bottom of the box because of this feature of one piece of cardboard. Let's start with the building instructions. It's easy to follow the instructions. It's just one paper, 4 pages. And you see the cover, the same cover, with the right name, Jet Commander. I need to write the 1121. The Aurora logo, the same aircraft taking off from any airport. Read the instructions first, as always. In just 2 steps, it's easy to build, to assemble. The first step, assembling the fuselages, the halves, I mean, the seats, the floor, the steering control, instrument panel, single passenger seats, I insist, the right windshield, the dividing walls, passenger seat again, right pilot window, etc. Alright, explaining the steps written way, and the second step is assembling the whole things to the main body with the decals. The decals and the wings are made in just one piece, no halves. Even the tail wings are made with just one piece. The excellent display stand, trans-clear display stand from Aurora style, the small wheels or no strut door, and this is very interesting about the turbines or the engines, with the intake cone and the exhaust cone made in different pieces, so you can't paint them, sorry, apart from the main body of the turbine. So it would be easy to assemble it later, and you don't have to mask it, so it's very easy to build, to assemble. They are insisting writing the steps step by step, and again Jet Commander with the real livery of the decals. How many countries got Aurora? In Canada, Aurora in the UK, Aurora in Australia and Netherlands. This is the history of the aircraft, and the recommendation of from Aurora, you should use fireproof styrene plastic cement. I don't know this glue, I've never seen before. I use contact from Revell, how to apply the decals on the surface, etc. Well, I will show you what happened with the original decals. They are extremely old. That's the stripes in red and blue. I didn't use this one, and look what happened with the decals or decals. It's broken because it's too old. When I dip into the water, warm water, it ripped, and it was a disaster. It was a mess. So unfortunately I didn't use them because of those reasons. Look at this. They got ripped. So I prefer to use to make a repro. This is still the original ones, but I didn't dare to use them. So I made stickered foil, stickered vinyl, and this from the tail, and you see that's the replacement. What else to show you? Oh, some remaining parts, like the windshield and the steering control. It's a spare part, and the empty sprue, because the model is already built. I made a template for the anti-freezings. You will see how it looks like with the black auto-adhesive vinyl. Model, come here, model from Aurora in the spinning base. That's the appearance of the aircraft using the stickered foil, the stickered vinyl. Let's spinning around. I put the registration, US registration, November 1966 Juliet. the stripes, the blue stripes, the thin blue stripes on the top of the aircraft, the anti-freezings by using the templates I made in black vinyl, stickered vinyl, the turbines. I didn't paint the aircraft, I just polished the original white plastic parts. Let's see how it looks like in front of the front view. I made the wipers either, so I will take it make a close-up of the aircraft, the under view. I wanted to hide the drawbacks about showing the beams by using white thin line of the stickered vinyl. That's front landing gear. That's a beautiful display stand from Aurora with the classic ID of the aircraft. That's a Commander. It's a trans-clear display stand. That's a landing gear, the turbine with the chrome parts, the intake and the exhaust tank, the nozzle, the US registration in blue, and the American flag, and the rear part of the rudder of the tail. I used brush in order to complete the stripes, red and blue stripes. It was one of my early assemblings, so no big details about it. That's the front. You look what happened with the vinyl, with the stickered vinyl. It's hard to apply to the double curvature of the nose, and some bad problems from original factory drawbacks of the finishing trans-clear windows. Okay, the other mistake is it's got 4 windows. It should be 5 windows in the real life, but this is just a copy of the aircraft. This is not a replica. It's just a simple copy. I will spinning around again a little bit and we'll show you. Oh, let me change the manner of showing the aircraft. Kind of landing or taking off. Okay, that's it about the aircraft. Oh, maybe you should know how long it is. It's 21 centimeters long by 12 centimeters high. Mountain with a display stand. I will skip the model behind the box. So, well, friends, that's all by now, and this is a very easy description or review about this civilian private business jet. So thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next review. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment and like, etc. Okay, see you more ahead. Bye bye.